Hi traders! In this video, we'll show you how to check the active period of your Forex VPS so you can avoid unexpected service interruptions and stay on top of your trading game. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your SocialVPS account through the client area. Step 2. Once you're on the home page, select the VPS service that you want to check. Step 3. Inside the Manage Product page, look for the section labeled Next Due Date. This is where you can see exactly when your VPS service will expire. Tip: make it a habit to regularly check your VPS's active period to avoid termination and keep your trading running smoothly, uninterrupted. That's it. Now you know how to stay in control and avoid surprises with your VPS expiration. Good luck and happy trading! If you found this video helpful, share it with your fellow traders or anyone who uses a VPS. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.